white ball bowler now than what I've seen for a long, long time. Let's just hope he can transfer that into red ball cricket. I have a feeling that he will.
Coverage of the first test between England and India starts at 10 AM tomorrow morning on Sky Sports Cricket. Right, the life of a spinner in T20 cricket. Here's Gareth Batty to Craig Machetta, who was 25 not out of 15 balls, 1 6, a second 6 over his head, and here's Batty's third ball of the over, again, is dispatched over the boundary rope. But then what happens with the next ball? Well, a little bit less flight, a little quicker, and instead Machetta finds Ollie Pope. That's what it means to Gareth Batty. Let's just show you what it means for this game, because Surrey, 194 for 4 off their 20 overs. Glamorgan, well, the break's been applied slightly with that loss of Craig Machetta, but Kieran Carlson's going well. He's unbeaten on 23 of 16 balls, and Chris Cook, the wicketkeeper batsman captain, is also at the crease with him. So they, well, are more or less on course, as long as they can keep wickets intact here, Glamorgan. But 194 for 4 Surrey, so Glamorgan's victory target 195. It's live now on Sky Sports Cricket.
Well, that's a cracking game, isn't it? And there's loads going on at Yorkshire, Leicestershire as well. Richard Graves is watching for us.
Yes, Leicestershire Foxes now replying to Yorkshire's 187 for 5 off their 20 overs, and they're in real trouble. The visitors 65 for 5 in the 10th over. Their tormentor-in-chief, Jack Brooks, only in the side because both Liam Plunkett and Tim Breton are missing out through injury in this game. But what impression he's made of his 3 overs so far? He's taken 3 for 20, and we can see 2 of those. As another wicket goes down, make it 66 for 6 now. But let's have a look at the 2 wickets, 2 of the 3 that Jack Brooks has taken. We'll start with that of the skipper, Colin Ackerman. Comprehensively bowled, his furniture rearranged, 2 stumps out of the ground. That was the first ball duck. And then he was followed by wicket opening batsman Neil Dexter, who made 20 before Jonathan Tattersall, the young wicketkeeper, took a fairly straightforward catch, and that came to a couple of overs after taking an absolute stunner off the bowling of David Willey to get rid of Mark Cosgrove. So 6 wickets gone down, 188 the target for Leicestershire Foxes. Looks a long way off. They're 65 for 6 in the 10th.
Now, there was more drama at the Oval earlier today as the Lancashire Thunder beat Surrey Stars with just 1 ball remaining in their Super League clash. The Surrey captain, Nat Siver, hit an unbeaten 95